Hi, I'm Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainer here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-itch scalp serum. Now let me show you how to put it all together. Okay, so firstly I have my water phase here, and to this I am going to be adding a glycerin based extract. Now this is just purely for marketing and story, so you can pick whatever glycerin based extract you like. I'm also going to be adding a hyaluronic acid solution, so this is going to help hydrate the skin on the scalp, which could be one of the reasons why it's dry and itchy and irritated. So this is going to help soothe it. You do want to add a hydrating or even a moisturizing active to it. Okay, so here I'm going to be building the base of my serum. So I have my propane diol in here. I've picked this for a couple of reasons. One is it's not sticky and tacky like glycerin. You don't want to have a sticky, tacky serum on your head and through your hair. So you do want something that's going to have a nice, dry, non-tacky feel to it. And I'm also using it to disperse my active here. Now this is the Spec Care PO by Spec Chem. And this has some efficacy data on providing anti-itch benefits. It's also got anti-dandruff, antimicrobial, anti-acne, so overall it's a pretty multifunctional active with some pretty good efficacy data. And I'm also going to use Cosmoderm X Soft by Cosmetic. This is a really good grade of xanthan gum, which is going to help build my serum. So I'm adding it in here to all slurry. Now you do need to make sure you've got a nice smooth slurry before adding it to your water phase. Otherwise you will get what we call fish eyes, which is big clumps of unprocessed gum. And they're very, very hard to get out. So most likely you will need to start again. Okay, so once you have a nice smooth slurry, we're going to add that into our water phase. Okay, so once you've got a homogeneous gel that's started to form, we're now going to add our anti-irritant material. So this is the allantoin by Ashland. This is going to provide some anti-irritant benefits to our serum. So this is going to help relieve any dry, irritated skin on the scalp. This will not dissolve straight away, so we're just going to keep mixing out for a bit, but it will fully dissolve overnight. And then we are going to add our preservative, of course, and also a fragrance. I've just chosen one from off the shelf here. Hair and scalp products really do benefit from having some sort of nice scent to it. So now, last but not least, we are going to check and adjust our final pH. And we are just going to cover and leave that overnight. You'll see in the morning it will have started to, or would have thickened up quite a bit. All the allantoin would have been dissolved, and it will just need one final stir. Okay, and here is what our scalp serum is looking like the next day. As you can see, that's thickened up quite a bit and it's looking nice and viscous. It's got a really nice, beautiful slip to it. It's nice and dry, and it's also very non-tacky. You can add a very small input of some light feeling esters, probably not plant oils because that will make your scalp quite greasy. So definitely a light feeling ester or triglyceride or even a silicone. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to put together a anti-itch serum for the scalp. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!